Outer Limits 2 is an oceanfront gem with a recent kitchen renovation. The main living level's open floor plan features vaulted ceilings and many windows to enjoy the ocean view. With a large living and dining area, there is plenty of room to entertain family and friends. An extra sitting room and master bedroom suite can also be found on this level. The second master suite is located on the mid-level, along with 3 more bedrooms and a bath. Be sure to take a dip in the Kinnakeet Shores community pool, relax in your private hot tub, or enjoy the oceanfront view from one of the many large decks. Now is the time for you to make Outer Limits 2 your beach home away from home.
NC12 Realty, connecting you to Hatteras Island.